everyone, and welcome to our first Paige's Pantry Culinary Arts. Today, what are we making, Paige? What are we making today? We are making fresh salsa. So let's get started. I have made a recipe cards for Paige. So what I did was I took the recipe from the internet and I copy and pasted it here. It's homemade salsa. And then I made Paige a schedule of what you add. Tomatoes, we're going to use some roasted tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, and I also included the picture with the words. So let's get started. First page, we are going to add 6 tomatoes to our blender. Here is our blender. Okay. So here we go. We're going to cut these up. Okay, remember how you hold the knife like that? Good. Okay, hold it. Oh, there you go. Nice. Okay, put it in the blender. I forgot to cut the ends off. Let's just do that real quick. Okay. That part's kind of yucky. Okay, put those in the blender. Okay, that one looks pretty good. Go ahead. Put that one in the blender. Put that one in. There you go. Cut that one. Go ahead. Nice job. I'll do this section. No, wait. Always with the salt. Okay, that's good. We got the salt taken care of. And obviously we're going to put pepper in there as well. Paige's 2 favorite spices or seasonings are salt and pepper. Okay, go ahead. Here's this one. Nice job. Put your hand on the top. There you go. Go ahead. Okay, what's next? Next, we add the tomatoes in the can, okay? So here's your can. We're using the Near Glen Organic Stewed Tomatoes. Adds a little bit of extra flavor. Our can opener that is not sharp. It's not a sharp edge because Paige one time cut herself on a can. Okay, and then you just like this. Take it off. Okay, you want to pour that in there? Nice job. Okay, okay. What's next? The cilantro. Good. Here we go. We have some fresh cilantro. And what we're going to do, Paige, is the recipe says 1/3 cup fresh cilantro. So let's see what we have here. We have 1/4 and 1/3. Which one has the 3 in it? There you go, good. Okay, we're gonna set that down here. We're gonna take our cilantro and we're just gonna take off the leaves, okay? Like this. You just pick off the leaves like that and leave the stems. And we're gonna put them right here in the 1/3 of a cup, okay? We're gonna fill it up. See, we have that left. We'll set that aside. Here, start with that one. Can you do more? There you go. Go ahead, you do that one. We're just picking the leaves off the stems. There's a lot. Okay, 1/3 of a cup. There you go, good job. Keep going. Squish that down. Sometimes, some people like a lot of cilantro, some people like a little bit of cilantro. I think it adds some nice flavor to the salsa. And Paige's favorite food, I think, is salsa. Right, Paige? You love salsa. She eats, go ahead, put some more leaves in there. She eats salsa on everything. Soups and what else? Any kind of chicken, like even if it has a barbecue sauce, she's adding salsa to it. So we go through a lot of salsa in the house. There you go. Nice job. Good job. Keep going. So this is an easy way of teaching math. Do you see how I did that with Paige? Find the 1 or the 2, or the 2 or the 3, because at the moment she doesn't understand 1/3 of a cup or 1/2 of a cup. So, okay, I think that looks nice. Do you want to add that to the mixture? Good. Okay. Let me get a spoon. Let me get a spoon. I gotta push it down a little bit so we can fit other stuff in there. Okay. Okay, we got that. So, what is next? We added the cilantro. Oops, one got away. Okay, what is next? We're going to add the jalapeno. So the recipe calls for 3, but we're only going to use 1 because we don't like hot stuff around here. So Paige, there you go. Let me cut this one because it'll be hot. Okay, here, I'll help you. You help me glide it. There we go. Now I'm going to take the seeds out because the seeds are what makes it super spicy. And Mommy's kind of a non-spice liker. Do you want to chop that in half? Or put it in there? There you go. You can chop that one. Go ahead and chop it. Alright. Okay. It's kind of hard to get the seeds out, isn't it? There you go. Put the knife down, please. Don't play with the knife. Good. Okay. And then, last but not least, this one. There you go. Okay, so we did, what have we done so far? We did the tomato, the roasted tomato, the cilantro, the jalapeno. What's next? What's this one?
But
Onion. Okay, so according to the recipe, we need 1 red onion. So this is a giant red onion, so we're just going to use half of it. Okay, you want to cut that in half? No, look how you hold your knife. Okay, push down. There you go. Nice job. Okay, so now, let's use this side. Okay, cut that. There you go, cut it again. We're chunking it out so that you can put it in the, there you go, that's good. Here, cut that piece. There you go. Okay, push.
this.
There you go. Nice. Okay, now we're going to put this in here. Go ahead, put it in there. You're getting sneezy. Okay, from all the spices. Okay, what's next, Paige? Add lime juice. So how much lime juice do we need? Right here, look, it says 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Okay, so let's cut this in half. Cut it in half. There you go. Push down. Ooh, it's kind of hard. So I have this here, and we have this, so that we can squeeze our lime juice out. Use 2 hands. There you go. Maybe I put that in wrong. First cooking show. Okay. And squeeze it. This is a hard one. We usually use the manual one. Right, this is the manual one. We usually use the one that you plug in for the lime juice. Okay, ready? Cut that. That lime is hard to cut a little bit. Ooh. There we go. Slice it up. Okay, this should do it. Okay, here we go. That one seems a little bit easier. Nice. Squeeze it all out. Nice job. Okay. Last one. Go ahead. Push it. Push it. Okay. So here is the 1 tablespoon. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So do you want to get out 3 tablespoons and put it in there? Make sure you fill it up. There you go. Like that. See? 2. Okay. A little bit more. There you go. I think that's actually, okay, it's probably almost 2 tablespoons. Okay, next we add salt, which you already did. Do you want to add a tiny bit more? Because it's supposed to be 1.5 teaspoons. We'll guesstimate on that. Okay, so then, every time with the salt and pepper. Okay, put that back. Okay, and what's next? We're going to add the cumin. So that is 2 to 3 teaspoons. Okay, so this is the teaspoon. It's the smaller one. Okay, so let's just, we can do it this way. So Watch how I do it. See how I do it? Like that. See? Okay, you try. Okay, there you go. Oh, that's a heaping one. Okay, let's just do 2 then. There you go. Good job. Okay. So we did 2. And the cumin, is it cumin or is it cumin? Okay. Okay, Paige. Let's see. And then it says add a 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, which is optional. But I think you like it a little bit sweeter from the, here, hold that part. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Since you didn't get the whole teaspoon. Okay. Good job. Okay, so next, okay, so we did the tomato, we did the canned roasted tomatoes, we did the cilantro, okay? We added the jalapeno, the onion, the garlic. How did we miss the garlic? Holy smokes. That's why we go back over our recipe. So we need 3 cloves of garlic. I can open them. Okay, here we go. 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is the last one. If I can get, I want to get a big one. Let's do this one. Gotta get all the paper off of it. If you can, let's see. So it's easier with that. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. All the shell, the paper. Okay, let's check our list one more time. We have the tomatoes. We have the canned tomatoes. We have the cilantro. We have the jalapeno. We have the onion. We have the garlic, the lime juice, and the salt, the sugar, and the cumin. Okay, are you ready? The part you've been waiting for. Are you ready? First, let's put the lid on. See which way it goes. Okay, push it down here. Good. Okay, ready? Now we're going to put this on the blender, and we're going to pulse it. Move it up a little bit. Okay, we're going to hit power. Okay, ready? Okay, you can push it. Okay, Paige loves the blender. Okay, go ahead and put it. Oh, that looks good already. There you go. That's good. Okay, you think that's good? Okay, let's check it. Let's check to see if it looks good. Okay. Okay, ready? Push that. Release the top. Good job. Oh, we have some jalapenos that didn't get crushed. Let's just push that down in there. Okay, it's okay. That's why we check it out. Put that back. Put this down. Release the top. Okay. Then let's pour some in here. I should have left the lid on. Okay. This is what it looks like. It looks delicious. Smells good. You want to smell it? She's probably going to sneeze on it. Okay, let's put that over there. Okay, we have our chips. Do you want to have a taste test? Probably. We usually chill it in the refrigerator for an hour or so. But we can try it. Go ahead. What do you think? Is it good? Is it good? Let's try it. Does it need anything? I don't think it does. It tastes pretty good, don't you think? Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So, thank you everybody for coming to our first Culinary Arts class where we made fresh salsa and Paige is going to town on the salsa. Thanks everyone.